Life is a series of moments, some fleeting, some everlasting. Today, we delve into one such eternal moment that binds two souls in a promise of forever. In every step they take, there's a story. A story of love, challenges, triumphs, and unwavering faith. In the silent language of love, passion sparkled in their eyes. They whisper tales of dreams shared, of adversities overcome, and of a future they're eager to embrace. Prayer for marriage, God of love, bless our union with the warmth of your embrace. As we come together as one, let our hearts beat in unison with a love that reflects your own. In moments of joy, let us share in gratitude, celebrating the love that binds us. And in challenging times, grant us the strength and patience to support each other with unwavering love and respect. May our journey together be a testament to the enduring power of love, and may we always turn to you as the foundation of our marriage. Guide us, Lord, in our shared path, helping us to grow together, to forgive freely, and to love unconditionally. Bless our union with children, laughter, understanding, and endless days of happiness. And as the years go by, let our love deepen, reminding us always of the sacred vows we've taken and the divine love story we're writing together. Amen. As nature bears witness to their commitment, the universe conspires to bless them with its abundance. In the embrace of twilight, two souls find solace. Their prayer, a beacon of hope and love, guiding them through the tapestry of life. Don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring content, like if this prayer resonated with you, and comment below to share your thoughts or personal marriage blessings.